Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is choice of income tax regime, the old one or the new one. So stay tuned till the end. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. As the income tax forms are out, it is time to decide whether you want to opt for old scheme or new scheme for financial year 2019-2020. So, we will discuss few points which might help you to know the advantages and disadvantages of both schemes. First, we are discussing the old tax regime. The old tax regime is beneficial in many ways. As we invest some amount of money in order to claim the reduced tax payments, we are in turn saving this investment money as a source of passive income for the future. When we do investment, we keep proper documentation until we file our returns and for further reference. Due to the schemes and benefits in reducing income tax payment, we have indirectly inculcated savings habits. As we get the deductions by way of investment in various schemes, we in turn show a true and clear picture of our investment in our tax returns. If we continue to be under the old scheme, we will keep enjoying the benefits and claiming the deductions as we are doing for so many years. As we speak of disadvantages, the number one is longer lock-in period. Most of the investment come with 3 to 5 years lock-in period, due to which we may face liquidity crunch given the circumstances. As we plan to invest money for reduction in tax amount, we are left with less income for usage. We have to keep the documents for few years to show the genuine nature of transactions in case any notice arises in further years. And last but yet major disadvantage is we are liable to pay tax at higher rates compared to the new tax regime. Now we move forward to new tax regime. The number one advantage being we are liable to pay taxes at lower rates and less compliance hurdle. As we are adopting for new scheme, our investment can be decided by us. It can be in other funds which we think give better returns compared to the tax saving funds, and we can have short term or long term investment according to our own decision. Due to the reduced rates, we can decide not to invest the money and use it for current needs instead of saving it for the future. As we tend to shift our investment money into our current requirements, we have adopted an increased consumption habit instead of a savings habit. As we move ahead, we see that there are few disadvantages too in the new scheme, such as non-availability of deduction. The new scheme has reduced income tax slab rates, but it has removed a majority of deduction which we claim, such as investment in ATC, PPF, home loan interest component, Mediclaim, etc. The next thing we need to focus on is we have less flexibility to move back to old scheme. Only once in a lifetime we can move back from new scheme to old scheme. This is applicable to business owners. For salaried individuals, they can move back and forth to old and new scheme any number of times. As we had directions of the government to make investment in specified schemes for tax saving, now if we decide to diverse our investment into different sources, we might end up having a disturbed investment pattern. So we need to be clear about our investment. Now, as we have heard the possible advantages and disadvantages of both the scheme, the next thing we need to worry is how should we decide which scheme we should adapt. The first thing is by calculating under both schemes to understand which is giving rise to lower tax and which is giving rise to higher tax. It will differ from individual to individual, so calculations is must under both schemes. Further, we have to check how much is the investment done, and we still have time to do investment till 30th of June. So, if you are falling short of investment, you can do your investment within the remaining days of June. You need to take expert advice before making a decision on which scheme is beneficial for you, as your vision and his vision might be different. For example, you might think of saving tax for this year by adopting to the new scheme, but your future investment and long-term requirements will be taken into consideration by the expert before arriving at a conclusion. So, consult an expert for making a decision. If you require any further assistance, our expert, Mr. Manoj Sonawane, tax consultant, will be available at the below address. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.